In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curve text. Now, this is relatively easy to do, and you can do it within the free version of Canva. Now, once that you have your text on the canvas like this, you want to click on the text which you want to curve. For this example, we're going to do the curve text. So we're going to click on the box, we're going to come up to Effects, we're going to click on that, and now we have all of these different style options and shape options as well. The one that we want to use is this one just here where it says curve. Now if we click on here, it automatically curves that text. But if we play around with the bar, we can increase it or we can decrease it. Now by increasing it, we'll curve it one way, and then by decreasing it, it will curve the other. Now we can also play around with the numbers as well. So we can do a minus 20, like so, or we could do just 20. But this is how you can curve text within Canva. Now if you would like more Canva tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.